Jesus' healings bring holistic wellness in the gospel. They bring physical, emotional, financial, familial, relational, and of course, spiritual well-being. That brings us to the next section here, verses 9 through 17, the rest of 9. That day was the Sabbath. If you're unfamiliar with that, in the Bible, from sundown on what we would call Friday to sunset on Saturday, there was to be no work. Still today, Orthodox and religious Jews will not cook on the Sabbath. They won't walk very far. Some won't even push elevator buttons. The elevator will just move in certain buildings, stop at every floor. Jesus is doing this very intentionally. Actually, several of his healings take place on the Sabbath. And this is very important to understand. Jesus is not breaking the law here. I've heard several famous, quote, pastors preach things like, Jesus broke the law for love, or Jesus broke the law for you. No, dear ones, Jesus cannot break the law. He would not break the law. Not for me, not for you, not any time, not for anyone.